Do you know ukuthi who funded the ANC with CR17 campaign?
No, I don't know.
You don't know. You said MK ufandwe uLiebenberg or ufande uBab Zuma. And I think the MK party would maybe write and talk to that matter if they wish to do so, or even uBab Zuma. So if you don't know ama funders were CR17 documents that were sealed, what intelligence did you use to get the information MK found uLiebenberg?
It was a public information.
Ibingasilwanga.
No, it was a public information that Liebenberg himself did say he has helped Umsholos to pay 500,000 for him, for his case to be enrolled.
Uke confirm mhlambe?
Yes, I have confirmed it.
How did you confirm leyo mali leyo?
Because it was in the court papers, and then the matter was then enrolled.
Wena as ubabcele uyayiconfirma leyo mali unabo ubufakazi bokuthi ayi wayithola ngempela le mali?
Ayike uLiebenberg, having said that publicly, that is information. I might be lying if he lies, but if he speaks the truth, I'm speaking the truth.
Okay, uthathi here and say wayichupha.
No, I go on here say
Uyizwe ngani?
it's from the horse's mouth.
Thank you babcele. uLiebenberg lo khuluma ngaye uyena lo wanikeza unkosikazi kaBaba uPaul Mashatile iring ye-diamond?
Yes.
Uyena loyo?
Not a ring,
I-diamond?
a piece of
Piece
diamond.
of diamond. Uyena yena loyo?
Yes.
Okay. It's very
So,
clear.
impela uyena.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu bengifuna nje sidlule lapho. uMatlala ukhethe njengoba usuvumile ukuthi uyamazi.
Angaze ngiphike futhi.
Ngiyabongisa baba wazi amadoda amakhulu. You said uMatlala wanted to fund the president yakababa uMchunu. Siyavumelana?
What did I say?
You said uMatlala wanted to fund the presidency yakababa uMchunu.
Matlala told me that he was requested to fund. That he wanted, I'm not sure. But that he was told, I'm told.
You are told. Ngizahamba kule ama here and say ne. Lama here say ongawathandi.
No,
Siselapho.
it's not a hearsay. It's a horse's mouth.
Sho njalo.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you think kunawo umthelela lokuthi ithenda kaMatlala icisho ize ivalwe lokuthi mhlawumbe akafunanga ukufanda ubaba uMchunu?
That will be hearsay. And I don't want to get in the hearsay. I've never had it. It will be said by me, and when I will be hearing a hearsay from me. I have no information either told or read anywhere that is the case. So I really don't know about that.
Kule horse's mouth yaka Liebenberg yemali ekhokhiwe ku-MK yayisikhona yini MK makungena le mali okhuluma ngayo?
That's why my statement is stroke, either Msholozi or MK. So if it is not MK, Msholozi.
Oh. Sengiphelele isikhathi kanjalo. So lento ekhulumayo
But can I add on that?
please ba. Mhlambe usa-add ungichazisela ukuthi ushongo ukuthi mhlambe yangena nini or uyayicabangela nje uyifaka nje ngoba mele ingenile.
Ayangena.
Yangena.
Sungacheka wena ukuthi
Sengisho le nkulumo yangena nini?
ini manje
Imali baba. Before iMK iba khona or after iMK ibe khona angibuzela ukuthi ingene kuZuma or MK sengibuza ukuthi isiphi isikhathi salento oyikhulumayo othi awuyizwanga endleleni awuyidobhanga ndawo uyizwe kuye ngithi usasikhumbula mhlawumbe isikhathi oyizwe kuye lo muntu eyikhuluma ukuthi kunini?
Ngisikhumbula kahle isikhathi, but I would not remember whether it was before or after MK, but I could say that there would be really clips and videos where MK is on the platform supporting in court, supporting
Abanguthi
the,
siyeke mphathi ngoba sikhuluma into
siyekelana nje.
ayikho awunasho.
No, that one is sure.
Sho ngani baba ngesikhathi?
Ukuthi when
You are